Hey guys, Jagus here. This is Jagus Reviews. Alright, so I got this speaker at Ross for 36 bucks. Like, why not? Give it a go. So they are on Amazon for, I believe, about 45 bucks. They're in the same class as the JBL Extreme 3 and Sony XG300, I think it is, and XB43 as well. And all of those kinds. So I was like, why not? Let's try it out. It's super cheap, super affordable, especially compared to some of those other ones that are quite a few $100. But let's go ahead and see. So just says 3 sound profiles, multi-link mode, IPX5, so it's water resistant, so do not dunk this in your pool. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything on the back. Alright, so 8 hours of playtime, not horrible, but not great either. Looks like 4 audio modes, so it has Bluetooth, aux, USB, and FM, and multi-link, so you can pair multiples of them together. It has the party lights, the RGBs. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and take a look, see what it comes with. Alright, so it looks like it comes with an aux cord, your charger, so it is USB-C charging, and a little pamphlet. Alright, and here is the speaker, nothing else in the box. So yeah, it's about the same size as like the JBL Extreme. Actually, it might be slightly bigger, but not by a ton. It's actually got a little bit of weight to it. It's got some passive radiators on the side. So it looks like we have the USB-C, USB, an aux in, and looks like that is it. So nothing too fancy. It's not crazy. Let's see. So it does look like the it has 3-inch woofers possibly, whereas like the JBL Extreme 3 and 2 and 1 all have 2.5-inch woofers. It's only got one tweeter in the center as well. So let's charge it up real quick and do a quick sound test and review on it. So let's go over to the sound test. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put it up on a sound test. We're going to start it at about 50% and see what this thing can do. We'll cycle through the lights real quick and then through the sound modes. So let's go ahead and do this. Actually, let's go to about 70%. Not super loud. Let's go up about 80%. Let's go through the lights. So that's it, just those 3.
Pure sound.
Pure sound.
Balanced sound.
Balance.
Pure sound.
I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you
Balanced sound.
used to. This ain't what you 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 used to. This ain't what you. No, this ain't what you used to. Switching from the bikes to a new coupe. You know I keep some new shoes. Keep it simple, not like you. All night, get right. Know you know the price. Know you know the name, no names. I need all my
Bass sound.
hey man, this ain't what you used to. I might fly to LA. It's cold weather ain't for me. Hit the bank, run your way. What you used to? And I'm grinding to the top. I can't let it slip away, so I gotta get the pay. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you used to. This ain't what you used to. This ain't what you used to. This ain't what you.
Let's do a bass song.
Bake that pie. Pull up my mouth and I bake that pie.
Alright, I think that gives us a good idea of what we're getting. So for, I think it's like $35-40 for this on Amazon. I think it sounds pretty dang good, actually, especially for its price. Now, it is not as bass heavy as like the JBL Extreme 3 and like the Sony SRS XB43 and XG300. Not quite to those categories. For its price, though, I think it's a pretty solid speaker. Like, you're not going to be disappointed with it. It still does have some bass. It's got plenty of treble. I think that the bass boost mode and balance sound probably sound the best. Now, on this one, I think the bass boost mode actually sounds better than all of them. So that's probably what I'll keep it on when I put it up against a few other things. I'm going to put it up against like the UE Epic Boom and some other smaller speakers that are in its size category, even though they cost a lot more, and see how it holds up against some of the well-known brands. Anyways, this is on Amazon though, so if you need a cheap speaker that's just about as loud as like the Extreme 3 and you don't have the money for it, as long as you're okay with a little bit lackluster bass comparatively, this is not a bad way to go. So let's test it up. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos very soon.